Start your layout with a clear reference line and measure twice before committing to the dry fit so your spacing stays consistent across the whole field. Dry fit a full row without adhesive to identify where tiles will end up against walls and fixtures, then snap a chalk line at the center of the field and another set of perpendicular lines to serve as anchors. Begin from those lines rather than from a corner since walls are rarely square. Use tile spacers of the correct thickness for the grout joint you want and clamp or tap tiles gently to remove small gaps, keeping a consistent tapping pressure so tiles do not shift unevenly. If you find rows that are consistently tighter or wider on one side, remove and reverse alternating tiles where possible because tile warpage and manufacturer size tolerance often cause cumulative spacing errors. When tiles of slightly different nominal sizes appear in the same box, separate them into like-size piles and mix them strategically so variance averages out across the field rather than stacking similar sizes together and accentuating gaps. For areas where you cannot avoid a narrow final row, adjust the starting reference line slightly toward that wall by the smallest increment needed so the cut tiles on both sides are closer to equal width, and recheck the center to maintain symmetry in visible areas. Always revalidate your chalk reference after moving several tiles because small shifts add up and will become obvious once grout is installed. Common mistakes include starting from a flawed corner which makes spacing drift across the room, and the fix is to start from a centered reference line and work outward so errors distribute evenly. Another issue is ignoring tile size variation and placing all tiles randomly, which creates patchy grout widths. The remedy is to sort tiles by size and mix them during installation so variances average out. A final concern is inconsistent tapping or pressing that causes some tiles to sit proud or recessed, and you can avoid that by using a small rubber mallet and a straight edge to level successive tiles as you go while keeping the same pressure and technique. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and posts project examples and tips for jobs like tile layout so we can plan better before purchase. We also host a discussion community where we trade installation experiences and contractors can find leads and homeowners can get contractor feedback.